Our Hypercities are cities across the UK where we've built extensive fibre infrastructure designed to connect businesses back to our network using dedicated fibre or using fixed wireless. Across the country, we've got data centres in London, Manchester, Leeds, Liverpool and Birmingham. In each of those cities, we have sites like this where all the fibre connects back to and where we operate our network from. The internet is made up of a lot of interconnected devices and cables just like this. So once a customer connection lands in our network through here, then the equipment in this rack and all of our racks across the country is designed to work out where that traffic's meant to be going. So DIA or dedicated internet access and a lease line. The real differentiator there is that from our perspective, it's a dedicated fibre or line through our network. We have a physical piece of fibre all the way from the customer onto our network and connected into our equipment. It's dedicated from end to end. There is no contention on that and there's no sharing with anyone else on the network. From here, we have fibre going out of the building to a chamber outside. And from there, we will go across the city to the customer's end location.
Hi, my name's Will Goodall. I'm Head of Wholesale and Partners. So for us, owning that full process in-house, partner places an order with us, our in-house planners will plan it, our in-house team will do the design, we'll do the survey, complete RAMs. We will then move into delivery where we'll connect from the DC right through to the customer's office, each step of the way communicating and each step of the way owning that process.
Got your backbone fibres, what we call. These are our 144s, 96 fibres, 48 fibres. They travel from joint to joint through the network. That's what gets our fibre from data centre to tech centre through the network and where we need to go to. And then we change it when it comes to the last point of call, which is here, into customer blown fibre, if you like. The way it's done is exactly through here. So this is compressed air will be turned on. We'll press start on there. This will start blowing through the tube and travel towards the customer.
We use blown fibre because it allows us to install some very high capacity cables, and it also means that we can install sections of tube through the route and then join them together to make a complete end-to-end route without having to put lots of nodes along that route.
Now what that's doing together is pulling the fibres together inside, and then what it'll do is it'll arc it. It's like a bit like a weld arc, if you like, but very, very tiny. And then it fuses the fibres together and you'll create a straight line.
And then from here, we'll feed directly into the buildings. If we've got a customer in a multi-dwelling unit like this one here, we'd use the existing entry point into that building, and our fibre would have a dedicated fibre going through that entry point into the building and then all the way to the customer premise.
There's a number of benefits for our partners utilising our infrastructure across our hypercities. We're the fastest deliverer of fibre in the UK. We're also able to offer fibre and wireless, so we're able to offer 100% uptime SLA, and behind that sits our always-on product, which allows our partners to really differentiate in the market. They can deliver faster than their competitors and they can deliver a solution more resilient than their competitors. We're now in our partner's site. So we're terminating into here. Now the partner is able to do a couple of things really, and we're able to facilitate any of these. So primarily, they can just take this connection from us. It's a fully managed, or we'll hand it off. They can put their own router on, or we'll provide a router. Same case with IPs. And then from there, the partner is able to either deploy or they can utilize us. We'll provide switches, access points, and we'll move past the router to provide connectivity in the building of their customers. So we can really tailor to support whichever variant the partner's looking for. We have some partners where we'll literally just connect it here and they'll do everything else, or others that will use us end to end to support, because our own engineers are also able to go past the router and install access points and things like that within a premises that may well be with the partner.